Hello, friends! Welcome to today's video. We will learn important words related to eating.
Get ready, today we will learn important vocabulary. Let's learn together. Bite. Bite means to cut food with your teeth. He took a bite of the cookie. Chew. Chew means to break food with your teeth. He is chewing his cookie. Swallow. Swallow means to make food go down the throat. He swallows his food. Sip. Sip means to drink slowly. She sips her juice. Gulp. Gulp means to swallow quickly. He gulps his drink.
Nibble.
Nibble means to eat small bites.
She nibbles the biscuit.
Lick. Lick means to eat with your tongue. She licks the ice cream. Taste. Taste means to check flavor. She tastes the soup. Devour. Devour means to eat very quickly. He devours the burger.
Let's revise today. We learnt different actions related to eating. Okay, now it's your turn. Write the correct answers. I dash an apple quickly because I was hungry. She dash her soup carefully because it was hot. Take your time and do your best.
Hey kids, are you ready?
Thank you for watching my video. Great job! Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.